Today we'll talk about an important comment we received. A viewer shared their Ox wallet seed phrase publicly and asked how to transfer US to Binance. This can be a huge mistake. A seed phrase is like a key to your digital locker. If someone gets your seed phrase, they can steal your crypto funds without any permission. Never, and I repeat, never share your seed phrase on YouTube, in comments, emails, or social media. Now let's talk about how to transfer US from Ox wallet to Binance. Open the Ox app and log in. Select the US token from your wallet. Go to the withdraw option and paste your Binance deposit address. Pay attention to the network. Make sure to select the same network on Binance like TRC20 or C20. Enter the amount, confirm, and you're done. It's that simple, and you don't need the seed phrase at all if you're starting out in crypto. Remember this biggest lesson: the seed phrase is secret. Once it's leaked, your money is gone. If you liked the video, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.